Okay, this unit is Implement RollUp Summary Fields in the Formulas and Validations module, Admin Intermediate Trail. You're welcome to join me along my journey to become a Salesforce admin as I learn through this unit. Or, if you want, you could look at the description below. And if it seems to be helpful, and if I found anything helpful that I think you might benefit from looking at, you could find that link below and jump right to it. Okay, after completing this unit, you'll be able to describe what a RollUp summary field is, create a RollUp summary field, and apply field level security to your RollUp summary field. And I've got to admit, after the last unit, I am a little bit hesitant, because last unit I felt like was hard and confusing. But we're going to power on. While formula fields calculate values using fields within a single record, RollUp summary fields calculate values from a set of related records, such as those in a related list. You can create RollUp summary fields that automatically display a value on a master record based on the values of records in a detail record. These detail records must be directly related to the master through a master-detail relationship. Oh. I think I know what that's saying. So like when you create a master-detail relationship, you could then pull from the details into the master. But honestly, it's a little bit fuzzy to me. Okay, you can perform different types of calculations with RollUp summary fields. You can count the number of detail records related to a master record, or calculate the sum, minimum value, or maximum value of a field in the detail records. For example, you might want a custom account field that calculates the total of all related pending opportunities, or a custom order field that sums the unit prices of products that contain a description you specify. Custom order field that sums the unit prices. Don't know if I get that. Let's see if we get an example here. Since RollUp summary fields are based on master-detail relationships, it's useful to review object relationships before creating a RollUp summary field. Thank you. Master-detail relationships. Master-detail relationships closely link objects together so that the master record controls specific behaviors of the detail and sub-detail record. That probably was loud. I'm sorry. Let me get the whole sound effect here. Cracking myself up. You define RollUp summary field on the object that is on the master side of the master detail relationship. For example, you can create a RollUp summary field on an account object summarizing related opportunities. Okay, so you could have two opportunities on the same account, and then you could sum those, and that's a master detail relationship. So this is a RollUp summary field. That's at the top here. Okay. RollUp summary fields are fields at the top of a record. And they could help you know important things about that record. Okay. That's sure. Okay, now that I see that example, that makes more sense. And okay. There are a few different types of summaries you can use. Count the total number of related records. Sum the total values in the field you select in the field to aggregate option. Only number, currency, and percent fields are available. Min. Display the lowest value of the field you select in the field to aggregate option for all directly related records. Only number, currency, percent, date, and date time fields are available. And max displays the highest value of the field you select in the field to aggregate option for all directly related records. Only number, currency, percent, date, and date time fields are available. Creating the summary field. Okay, one of these days I'm going to do this in advance. Okay, from Setup, open an Object Manager, click Account. On the left sidebar, click Fields and Relationships, and then click New. Choose the RollUp Summary field type and click Next. Oh, look at that, there it is. For field label, enter sum of opportunities and click Next. The summarized object is the detail object you want to summarize. Choose opportunities. Okay. Choose sum, summary type, and choose amounts as the field aggregate. Cool. Oh, this is cool. Click Next, and save. Next. Next. And save. Wait, that just added that. Now, can I see that? I didn't add it to a page layout, and I feel like I need to add that to a page layout. I want it to show up here, but I forget what this is called. I mean, I created a summary field, but like, where does it show up now? Account detail. I don't remember. Gosh, I feel dumb. Alright. Let's pause and look for it. Okay, so here's what I found. Is first off, when I was... Okay, let me go back here. When we made the sum of opportunities, one of the things that we did in that click, save, and next, or whatever it was, is we set field level security. That controls which role this field is going to show up by based off of these different roles. We're the system admin, so it should show up for us. Or I meant me, not we. Just I'm, on your own Trailhead thing. So that's that. Then the docs here says set the field level security to determine whether the field should be visible for specific profiles. Okay, that's what we did. Clicking next. Choose the page layouts that should display the field. The field is added as the last field in the first two-column section on the page layout. Going over to page layouts. Here's the account information visible on header, visible on edit only. I'm not sure what that different header editing is. Okay, if I click OK, it should go back, right? Okay, why is it doing that? Oh, so now it's... So there's some of opportunities. It means, obviously it's been there, but if I click save, is this not the header? Oh, there it is. It's on the details. That's why, folks. Okay. That's confusing. So here, okay. So if you finish creating this, and you're like, I want to find where that sum of opportunities field is, and you're not sure where it is, because this sum of opportunities that you saw up here is a different set of instructions than we have. I don't know how to do that. But what we did do is we did add it to the detail section on the account object. Now, the reason mine looks like this is because I just went around to the page layout and messed around with the page layout over here and set mine off to the side. Which I don't really like, but okay, I'm not going to really fix that. But anyhow, that's what's going on. Okay, example of RollUp summary fields. I wonder if any custom options, management, best practices. Alright. Yeah. Alright. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to add it to the top. A date, RollUp. Here are some more examples. A RollUp field is created on the accounts object. Create a date is summarized on the opportunities object to find the earliest date an opportunity was created related to an account. That's cool. Oh, I see. Is this not actually on the top here? They're just pointing out that it's down here? Or it's... I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. Total price of all products related to an opportunity. A RollUp field was created on an opportunity object. Total price is summarized in the opportunity product object to find the grand total of all products related to an opportunity. That's cool. Again, here it looks like it's coming up at the top, and that's not what mine's doing here. How do we get that to do that? Minimum list price of an opportunity. RollUp field is created on the opportunity list object. List price is summarized in the opportunity product object to find the product with the lowest price related to the opportunity. Okay. Congratulations on creating your first RollUp summary field. Am I going to get other? Yes. Keep in mind the types of fields you can create in a RollUp summary field depend on the type of calculation. For example, number currency percent fields are available when you select sum as the RollUp type. Number currency percent date and datetime fields are available when you select min or max as the RollUp type. Learn more about community fields at Okay, let's see this. Create a RollUp summary field that determines the potential value of the opportunities associated with an account. A RollUp summary field that determines the potential value of the opportunities associated with an account. Add a custom field to the standard account object that provides a roll-up summary of the total expected revenue from all related opportunities. A roll-up summary, the roll-up summary field should be labeled potential value and have a field name of potential underscore value. The resulting API should be that. Cool. The roll-up summary field should calculate the total expected revenue of all opportunities related to the account. Alright, so it sounds like this is super similar to the exercise, so I'm going to give it a shot. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've named it, summarized the object, opportunities, sum, the field we're aggregating is expected revenue. And click Next. This is where you make it visible. Click Next. And we're going to add it to the page layouts. So I did that. I just didn't realize that. Click Save. Okay, now we should be able to go to page layouts. Potential value is there. I'm going to put it up here, so not there. Why is it indented? Don't want it to indent. That's weird. Come on. Alright, well, let's save. And let's see if it actually worked. Click on details, because for some reason that's where it shows up. Potential value is there. And now we should be able to earn the challenge. Cool. Thanks for watching.